Fulvio Bonus's company Imago Artis has been taking tours of Rome for over 20 years. Today he is showing us some of his favourite things to do in Rome if you've got a few spare hours in the city. Starting off by how all Romans do, with a coffee.
Ciao James, welcome to Rome. We are in front of the best cafeteria in Rome. Well, I would say the best coffee in the world. This is here since 1938, and as you know, Italian are addicted. We have a huge addiction on coffee. And let me tell you, this is my fourth one. I'm gonna have at least had 4, 5 coffees, with you probably. The coffees are good because it's just very intense, very short. It's not. Well, don't get me wrong. I'm so sorry for the American. It's not American. It's not dirty water we call, but it's very strong and it wakes you up. And the taste is delicious. Here, the taste is completely different than other coffee shops because the ingredients are secret. That's what makes this place more appealing, more interesting. This is my first stop. Every day, walking around the city center, this is my first stop.
Now let's walk to one of the city's most iconic sites, the Colosseum.
Back in the old days, it was used for entertaining, to keep people away from problems, the Roman problems for sure. Now we call wrongly this place Colosseum, but originally it was called amphitheater. The amphitheater means two theater placed one in front of the other one. That's how you get the famous shape still using nowadays in every stadium. Your Majesty, behind me, was built for the first time, was inaugurated 80 AD, but it was not inaugurated by the men who strongly want to erect this building, Vespasian. It was inaugurated by his son, Titus. The goal was keep everybody entertained. But how can you entertain almost 1 million people, 1 million citizens? You keep this place open. They keep this place open for 2 to 3 months every day. Then almost every Roman citizen could come and see the show, the very big show, such as gladiator games, wild animal games. He made wild animal coming from Africa, import to Rome, and showcases to the spectators inside the Colossus, the Colosseum. Has been changed. The name has been changed into Colosseum after the colossal statue placed in front of one of the 80 entrances. But careful, because the statue depicts Nero, and Nero was the previous emperor, passed away as a damned person, as a horrible emperor.
No journey to Rome is complete without a visit to the holiest city in the world, the Vatican.
Well, we are in a different country. Guess what? We can see 2 countries in one day. 2 countries in one day. This is the second one is the Vatican City, the Pope's country. Since 1929, this became a state, a country run by the Pope, the Holy Father, the Holy Pope, who represents the new St. Peter, the current St. Peter. We had 266 Pope till now. The last one is Francis I. Francis I, an excellent, a brilliant Pope from Argentina. Well, everybody says from Argentina. I'm Italian, I have to say he's from Italy. And he's Italian 100%. Well, we are over here embraced by these fantastic columns, realized by Gian Lorenzo Bernini, the inventor of the Roman Baroque. And up above the columns, we have 140 saints. The Basilica is the biggest church ever built. It took 120 years to have this done. On the left-hand side of the Basilica, we have this brick building, very simple, honestly. That is the Sistine Chapel from outside. Inside looks grandiose, inside looks incredibly decorated in fresco, by Michelangelo and other people, of course, not just by Michelangelo, but outside looks like a fortress. Probably that's what it was supposed to be, a fortress to defend and protect the tomb of St. Peter. Because don't forget, behind the, underground, the Basilica, St. Peter's Basilica, we have Peter's tomb, the original tomb of the closest man to Jesus by the 1st century AD. You can see the dome. The dome has been realized first, and then the Basilica after all.